we just got home. And here's the doggies. And all I see is feathers. And there's feathers. And then we follow along. And look, more feathers. Wow, I just vacuumed yesterday. This was all clean. Look at all these feathers. Where's... Can you get that light for me? That light? Over here, in the hallway. Feathers. Feathers. I mean, we've been plucked. Something's been plucked in my house. Okay, scooch over. And there it is. Oh, whoa. Hold on.
I mean, you're dead.
This
That ain't all from that
poor
one.
bird. I mean, look at my hallway.
There's another one here somewhere.
Look at all the feathers in my hallway from the cat.
That ain't all from that little bird.
What in the world happened while we were gone
There's
today?
another bird here somewhere.
I mean, that's a lot of feathers from one bird. Murphy, what happened in here? I mean, you guys, you have seen what's happened. Is that all?
There's another bird here somewhere.
This is insane.